Minisitiri w'amatendekero Agaihangwe Kristo Muyingo nwabe ari mugenyi mukuru kandi ashabira akakiiko akatorinwe okoresa bukugo bine okwera itendekero no kugumiza muno rutunguka kandi rakasingo mu Obwegyese n'endijo myuga.
Prepare members of the new members on the council into their responsibilities. It is then that they will be made to understand, to appreciate that there is supreme governing body of the university. The supreme, very important body. So such an important body, if it's not properly prepared for the task, you can end up having disasters. I'm thankful to the new council and the management of the university for organizing this very important activity.
Omukoro ogu gukorirwa ha Imperial Golf View Hotel mu Entebbe Kampala kandi omuhwezi wa mukuru wa university Professor El Katunguka ayochero bujunanizibwa n'emyuga era bene kurwa akakiiko akatorino.
Linking us to government to give us programs that can stimulate teaching and learning in the university. And as you were told, the council is the supreme organ of the university. It's the overall body responsible for policy development. Kyambogo University has developed over the years because of its correct policies. We develop policies which streamline administration, which streamline student behavior.
Hono gayerekera amasiko ginwa mu kakiiko aka okurwanisa no kukora omwe aha buremeezi obu university jini gasha kwa Dambatadewo.